Ecomhunt Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of Ecomhunt Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Ecomhunt is an online tool designed to help dropshippers find trending products and discover profitable niches. It's built for entrepreneurs who want to quickly identify high-potential products to sell without spending hours on research. By providing curated product recommendations, detailed analytics, and market insights, Ecomhunt simplifies the product sourcing process and helps dropshippers make data-driven decisions. One of the main features of Ecomhunt is its product research tool, which allows you to browse a selection of carefully chosen products that are trending in the market. Each product listing comes with key data points like estimated profit margins, average selling prices, and the level of competition, helping you decide if a product is worth adding to your store. The platform also provides social proof, showing you how products are performing across different marketing channels like Facebook and Instagram, so you can gauge their success and predict future trends. Additionally, Ecomhunt offers an ad spy tool that lets you view successful ad campaigns for specific products. This feature helps you see how other sellers are marketing the same products and gives you insights into what types of ads are working. This can be a game changer for optimizing your ad strategies and increasing conversions. Ecomhunt is ideal for new and experienced dropshippers who want to take the guesswork out of product research and focus on selling winning items. It's particularly helpful for those who are looking to scale their business without wasting time on low-performing products. In terms of strengths, Ecomhunt provides an easy-to-use interface, high-quality product recommendations, and valuable insights for making informed decisions. However, its weaknesses include a limited number of products available in some niches and a subscription fee, which may not be ideal for beginners with limited budgets. In conclusion, Ecomhunt is a valuable tool for dropshippers looking to find trending products and optimize their marketing efforts. While it has a few drawbacks, its ability to streamline product research and provide actionable insights makes it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to grow their business. Check the description for more information and to get started.